It's Christmas! Okay, we're having Christmas with Kristen's family, and it's raining outside. Okay, it's actually pouring outside. The family will be over here in a couple hours, and I need to clean the bathroom, so I'm gonna clean the bathroom. Yay.
I wondered, oh, could this be the famous fat man coming down the chimney?
Hi. Scared me.
Driveway filled with flashing red and blue lights. Santa traded sleighing for a fire truck tonight. Oh, it's a funny story. At least it is to me. But for others, especially my mother.
Dude, it's cute. Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry early Christmas. Good job. Merry early Christmas.
Thanks.
What'd you get me?
A 10-day cruise, just you and me.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
One day.
Welcome to the finished bathroom. I don't think I put out the video at this point, so make sure you subscribe. This bathroom was insanely hard, and I will tell you why I never do another bathroom in the video, so make sure to subscribe to get it when it comes out. Alrighty, let's clean this.
That lives in infamy. Swear I'm not a liar. Daddy lit the Christmas tree on fire. Now that I'm older and I've settled down, it's late December, there's no tree to be found. But it helps, I've married a Jew, and now she wants a Christmas tree.
This is literally the worst tile that you can put on your floors, on your shower. It's these. The penny tiles are so bad. You can't clean them, they're hard to clean. You're actually not supposed to put them in super wet areas. But a correction here, you technically can put penny tile in wet areas. I once saw a video by Home Renovation when he was explaining this, that you're not supposed to put it because the back of the penny tiles, there wasn't much surface area to connect to the mortar, so they would come off more frequently than like a big format tile or even a bigger like regular tile you see in showers. The penny ones just have more difficulty, but I think technically you can still put them in wet areas, but you just might have more problems. Now I think the more problems that you see are things like cleaning and dealing with more grout and the installation process, and how on the installation process you can get this grid look that looks really terrible if you're doing it by yourself or hiring a scrub contractor or whatever. You can get a grid look with your tile in the pennies and it just looks bad. If you're a first time DIY penny installer like I was, my shower floor did not look very professional. It just didn't turn out the best. There was a few spots where it was a little bumpy, and so it was just a little bit harder project for a DIY person like myself. So I recommend not doing that if you're a DIYer. By all means, go and try it. The other thing is do a darker grout. I had done great pennies with white grout in my previous shower, and now this bathroom has white pennies, white grout. And the white grout, I think, it gets dirty easily and then it's hard to clean. If you want to go with that option, I would just suggest going with darker grout, or making sure you seal it really well, or being okay with cleaning it more. So that's about it. I would still suggest not to do it, but you can if you want.
It's a funny story.
I heard that black tile is really bad because you can't keep it clean because like you can see everything on it, but I'm pretty sure this is worse than putting black tile on your floor. It's white penny tile with white grout. Just don't do it. Does the bathroom pass?
Yes. Might pass out being in there because it smells like bleach, but
On fire. swear I'm not a liar. Daddy lit the Christmas tree